Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on a product's SKU in Shopify. Using the SKU condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the SKU condition. So first, we'll search for SKU in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. After adding the SKU, you'll see a drop-down with several options: partial match, exact match, start with, end with. Exact match. Block if the SKU exactly matches what you entered. Partial match. Block if the SKU contains the entered SKU number or words anywhere within it. Start with. Block if the SKU begins with the entered SKU number or words. End with. Block if the SKU ends with the entered SKU number or words. For this example, we choose block if found and select the start with, then enter the SKU SNB. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Here we can see that the Snow Bear product's SKU is SNB-M-2112. Now go to the rule page, and we will add a proper error message for the customers like "Sorry you can't order. Please contact support for the help." After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the order will be blocked when a product's SKU starts with SNB and is added to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer adds a product's SKU that starts with SNB and is added to the cart. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's remove the Snow Bear, which SKU SNB-M-2112 is, and take a look. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!